Hey buddies, welcome to my channel Study Buddy. In this channel, I'll be uploading all the solutions from CBSE Class 10 Mathematics. So today we are gonna solve the third problem from exercise 1.4 of Real Numbers chapter. So let's get started with the third problem. Question number 3. The following real numbers have decimal expansion as given below. In each case, decide whether they are rational or not. If they are rational and of the form p by q, where p and q are integers, what can you write about the prime factors of q? So they're asking us any number to be of the form p by q and asking us what we can say about the prime factors of q. Prime factors of q. So they've given us three sets of numbers. The first number is 43.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Moving on to the solution. 43.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is rational. Its terminating decimal also can be represented as p by q, where p, q belongs to integer and q not equal to 0. And denominator will be of the form 2 power m into 5 power n, where m and n belongs to natural numbers. Moving on to the second question. The second number is 0.120, 1200, 12000 and so on. Moving on to the second solution. 0.120, 1200, 12000 and so on is not a rational number. Since it is repeating, it has non-terminating, non-repeating decimal expansion. It cannot be represented in the form of p by q. That is, it cannot be represented in the form of a rational number. Going ahead with the second question, that is the third question of this third bit, that is 43.123456789 bar. Okay, moving ahead with the solution. 43.123456789 bar is rational, since it has non-terminating but repeating decimal expansion. It can be represented in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. But the denominator cannot be represented in the form of 2 power m into 5 power n, where m and n belongs to integers. Such denominator will have factors that is other than 2 and 5 also. So it is found to be of prime factor form only. So we have finished with the problem. In the next video, I'll find the solutions for the remaining problems. So do refer my channel for further videos. Thank you.